Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up two quadratic equations, which we will be solving in two different, unique and non-conventional methods. First method is Tschirnhaus transformation and second is Po-Shen Loh method. So let's get started with Tschirnhaus transformation technique or method. This technique of solving quadratics eliminates the middle linear term. So we are going to find depressed quadratic equation by Tschirnhaus substitution formula. And what is that formula? X equal to y minus b over 2 times a. As per our equation, a is coefficient of x square 1, b is coefficient of x minus 6. So we will get substitution x equal to y minus 6 over 2 times 1, which will give us y plus 3. So we have substitution x equal to y plus 3, which we are going to apply to our quadratic equation. So we are going to get y plus 3 whole square minus 6 times y plus 3 plus 8 equal to 0. Let's expand y plus 3 whole square. We will get y square plus 6y plus 9 minus 6y minus 18 plus 8 equal to 0. We'll cancel plus 6y minus 6y. So there won't be term with y. We will get term y square only. And then we'll get constant. 9 plus 8 is 17, minus 18 is minus 1 equal to 0. Which will give us y square equal to 1. After taking a square root both sides, we'll get y equal to plus minus 1. Now we have x, y plus 3. So we can find y in terms of x, which will give us y equal to x minus 3. So here we can write x minus 3 equal to plus minus 1 by adding 3 to both sides. We will get x 3 plus minus 1. Or we can write x equal to 3 plus 1 and x equal to 3 minus 1. So we have two roots, x equal to 4 and x equal to 2 using Tschirnhaus transformation technique. Now we have second method. It is Po-Shen Loh method. Here we will consider two roots of quadratic alpha and beta. This method relies on the mathematical symmetry of quadratic roots. So we can use beta's formula and write sum of roots alpha plus beta. It is minus b over a, so 6, and product of roots, which is c over a, so 8. Now we have to consider alpha 6 over 2, it is 3. Then we will write plus u, another variable. And beta 6 over 2, it is 3. And then we will subtract u. It is symmetrical. Once we will add these two roots, so plus u minus u will get over, we will get sum of roots equal to 6. Now we have to plug in alpha and beta over here. So we can write alpha times beta equal to 8. Here alpha is 3 plus u, beta is 3 minus u, right hand side is 8. A plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square equal to 8. By rearranging terms, u square will become 9 minus 8, which will be equal to 1. After taking a square root both sides, u will become plus minus 1. Now we will consider plus 1 case or minus 1 case, we are going to get the same roots. So if I will write here for u equal to plus 1, alpha will be 3 plus u. So we will write 3 plus 1, we will get 4. And beta will be 3 minus u. So 3 minus 1, we will get second root 2. And if we will consider u equal to minus 1, only roots will swap. We will get alpha 3 plus u. So here we will write minus 1 because u is minus 1. Alpha will be 2 and beta will become 3 plus 1. Value will be 4. So we have two roots of the given quadratic equation 2 and 4 using Po-Shen Loh method. Now we have thumbnail equation. Here our roots are irrational. We will follow the same steps. Let's use the substitution formula first. X equal to y minus b over 2a. As per our equation, a is 8, b is minus 40. So we will get y plus b is 40 over 2 times. Let me write here 40 over 2 times 8. So this will become y plus 5 over 2. We have substitution x equal to y plus 5 over 2, which we are going to plug in here. We will get 8 times y plus 5 over 2 whole square minus 40 times y plus 5 over 2 plus 17 equal to 0. Now we will expand whole square. So 8 times y square plus 5y plus 25 over 4 minus 40 times y plus 5 over 2 plus 17 equal to 0. Let's simplify. We will get 8y square plus 40y plus 50 minus 40y minus 100 plus 17 equal to 0. Now we will cancel plus 40y minus 40y. So middle term will be over. We will get two terms only, 8y square, and then we will get constant. It is 67 minus 100 minus 33 equal to 0. We will take minus 33 to the right hand side. So 8y square equal to 33. By dividing 8 both sides, we will get y square is equal to 33 over 8. Now we will take the square root both sides. Remember, x is y plus 5 over 2. Take square root both sides, we will get y equal to plus minus square root 33 over square root 8. I can write 2 root 2. Now we will rationalize denominator by multiplying root 2 in the numerator denominator. We will get y equal to plus minus square root 66 over 4. Now we have substitution x equal to y plus 5 over 2. So we can find y in terms of x, which will become x minus 5 over 2. So let me write here x minus 5 over 2, and in right hand side we have plus minus square root 66 over 4. 5 over 2 with denominator 4. So I can multiply here by 2 in the numerator denominator, and we will add 10 over 4 to both sides. We can write 10 over 4 plus minus square root 66 over 4, which will give us two roots of the quadratic equation which are irrational. 10 plus minus square root 66 over 4 by the method of Tschirnhaus transformation. Now we will take up the same equation which we will solve using Po-Shen Loh method. So first of all, we will consider two roots alpha and beta. Using beta's formula, we will write alpha plus beta, which will be minus b over a. So 40 over 8, 5. Alpha times beta, it would be c over a. C is 17, a is 8, so 17 over 8. Now we will consider alpha equal to 5 over 2 plus u, beta equal to 5 over 2 minus u. If we will add these two equations, we are going to get sum of roots alpha plus beta, 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2, which is 5. Now we have to plug in these alpha beta over here. So we can write here alpha times beta equal to 17 over 8. Here alpha is 5 over 2 plus u. Beta is 5 over 2 minus u equal to 17 over 8. A plus b times a minus b, a square. So 25 over 4 minus b square. So minus u square equal to 17 over 8. Now we have to find u square. So I will take this minus u square to the RHS and 17 over 8 to the LHS. And 25 over 4 is 50 over 8. So I can write here 50 over 8 minus 17 over 8, which will become 33 over 8. Remember, alpha is 5 over 2 plus u, beta is 5 over 2 minus u, and u square is 33 over 8. Let's take square root both sides. U square is 33 over 8. After taking a square root both sides, we will get plus minus square root 33 over 2 root 2, which will be equal to plus minus square root 66 over 4 after rationalization. Now we have to find alpha and beta. So I will write here alpha is equal to 5 over 2 plus u and beta equal to 5 over 2 minus u. Let's pick u equal to plus square root 66 over 4. So we are going to get 5 over 2 plus square root 66 over 4, and here we will get 5 over 2 minus square root 66 over 4, which can be written as 10 plus root 66 over 4. And here we will write 10 minus square root 66 over 4. So we have two roots of quadratic equation, 10 plus minus square root 66 over 4 using Po-Shen Loh method. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.